Yeah, it wants to decide what to do in order to get the whole
Sort it out, yeah. We definitely ended up with a very
It is, yeah, that was the idea. That was the whole thing. That's the first thing we've done that.
dream come true.
In San Diego, Rodney and Brenda are discovering the real estate market can be heartbreaking. I'm shopping with my emotions. But what you love triumphs in the end.
So now we just have to deal with that one hurdle.
Yeah.
Rodney is an ideas man, and he's always looking forward to the next big thing. This time, it's real estate. He and his wife Brenda both need work-at-home space, and with a young daughter, the walls of their apartment are closing in fast. Now, Rodney has a particular image in mind of the home he wants, so matching that to reality is going to be challenging.
I'm an investigator for the U.S. government.
Most recently, I was working as a design engineer in telecommunications. Unfortunately, like a lot of people, I lost my job recently.